front of me is DOOGEE Tab E3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening clock and tapping on alarm section at the top left corner. Now before doing anything most people miss, that you should click on those three dots at the top right corner and select settings from the pop-up. This way you'll get access to alarms options and you can adjust them however you wish to. When you're done, go back and create new alarm thanks to this red button at the bottom. Now set up an hour and when you're ready, hit OK in the pop-up. As you can see, my alarm was successfully created. Now let's adjust it. Click on repeat to pick days of the week. Let's go with Mondays and Fridays. Now click on this icon next to vibrate to disable or enable haptic feedback and label to name your alarm however you wish to. Hit OK to save its name. Now my favorite part. Click on bell icon here. Tap on Add New at the top to pick any song from your tablet by clicking on it and set it up as your new alarm sound. Or pick one of those by clicking on the best one, like fireflies. Go back, and to hide all of those options, click at the bottom right corner of your alarm. To turn it on or off, use this switcher next to it. To make any changes, click at the bottom right corner again. Change whatever you want to. And last but not least, to delete your alarm, use the delete button at the bottom left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!